Going shooting today?
Sir, this is the first time me and bro been shooting. We got cousin with us. First time bro shooting as an adult.
As an adult, yeah. So we're gonna get some clips, throw them all together, let y'all boys see what the fuck we working with. Yeah. Shoot this one regular like this. I gotta get better at racking.
You just gotta let it snap forward.
Cool. Okay, now shoot this one with the ramjet on it. Damn. You see that?
What the fuck?
No recoil. No recoil.
People don't believe me when I get the ramjet.
It's real. It's fucking real.
It's the best compensator you can buy.
That shit don't got no fucking recoil. I want to get one for that, for the 19x too. That shit is crazy, right?
That's insane.
No fucking recoil.
Here, you got
yeah,
there's more rounds in there.
Huh?
I was telling Isaiah. He asked if there was more rounds in there. I said, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right now? Right now. Damn. I like this reticle.
Yeah. Ranger wrap?
Oh, okay.
So it's like, it's just a little bit free.
I thought shit,
Thirsty. Yeah.
Show them that round. Alright. Gonna bust this bit?
Yeah. The milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit feel like good. Million. Damn. Oh, that's just crazy.
Are you recording? Alright. 17.
So nice, bro.
Yeah. That bitch smooth.
That shit like,
Huh?
shit like butter.
Oh, bro.
Alright. Yeah.
tirale al 9 o al 8. No le pegaste a ese problema. También puedes elegir la distancia que quieras.
Hold on, show him Drake.
Drake be honest. You been honest. We out.
That's a good shot.
Damn. I didn't even know we could do that.
10 milli feel amazing.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Damn.
That been quiet as fuck.
Do you not have a Nielsen device in it?
You said what?
Does it have a Nielsen device?
The gun or the?
The suppressor?
No.
It won't cycle without one.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh wow.
I just got a direct thread right now, you know.
He like that hitman in New York.
That's why he was doing that.
That's wild.
That's why he was doing that.
That's exact. That nigga said it was a 3D printing.
Don't wreck it like a bitch. You gotta pull that shit back.
My hands are sweaty.
Sweaty hand ass nigga.
Use the sights to wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you what I mean. So you take the shot. I got it.
Word. That. Okay. Okay.
It makes it easier here. I'll put it down because that espresso's probably hot as shit.
Yeah. Shit sound like a toy.
That's hard as fuck.
Shit sound like a toy. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. So. Alright. Hold on.
Hold on, let it calm down.
Whoa, you wanna hit it right quick?
Or if you want to let it cool down, don't matter.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
You just hit it like 1 or 2 times, you should be straight. Look at that. Oh shit.
They make like these little devices that blow air down the bore
To pull it to like. Okay.
Wow, this is
Pull it
like.
down if you want to get one of those.
I do. Y'all sell that?
We don't have it.
Fuck.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in love with that.
That shit crazy.
For sure. That's.
That bitch smoking.
Damn, 4,000 for that? Glock19x. $2,000. 2,200. That shit. I spent 1,400 though for my that little what you call it I built. Yeah, my 26. This is what I want right here. And you see how I kind of modeled my 26 after that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want that. Damn, look at this. That's crazy. You see this one?
Pearlescent bitch? Yeah.
That's that Fortnite drawing on that or COD.
Yeah, cool when they fuck
Be on
because the grip is wood. I'm like, that shit's disgusting.
Oh, I didn't even peep that. That is kind of disgusting. Yuck. I'm hungry as fuck.
I don't really like Rugers for real.
I don't like Ruger. I think, yeah, Rugers are, like, on the low end. I'm pretty sure. I don't do the revolver,
5
dude.
bands is insane.
Where?
Makes sense though.
Oh, yeah. That's that John Marston John. Yeah. That shit trash, too.
Yeah, 2 variants of it. That's kind of hard.
Oh, here we go. The block. Damn, that's hard right there. Damn. What happened? All right, I got you. I'm just getting up out of there, leaving that Blackstone. Shit was raw for sure. Shot that 10 milli for the first time.
10 milli.
Shot that Drake. How you feeling?
Hell yeah, good.
How you feeling, Hakim?
Boy, that's suppressive.
Hakim's going crazy. Suppressor work, crazy work.
That bitch sound like a...
They're gonna see all the clips. And we did all that practice because the sheriff's right there. Look, we blow their ass down. That's why we here, man. We blow their ass down. T perfect. We signing out on y'all boys. Eee.